Oh, what's up everybody? We are in my makeup room today and we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. If you're into makeup and Dollar Tree DIYs, you won't want to miss this. Also want to give a special thanks to all my new subscribers. I see you. I appreciate you. If you want to be a part of my OG subscribers, make sure to subscribe right now. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Look at this mess. All thanks to Ipsy mostly. So this tray is going to go right here and give me some more space. Okay, so I know we've all seen little trays and things on YouTube. I am here to make my own customizable tray to get this makeup mess organized. So what you're going to need for this DIY, if you want to do it exactly like mine, is a charger plate from Dollar Tree. This is the newest one, the white. 3 candlestick holders. One of the mirrors they just brought back recently. It usually pops right out. And lastly, you need a regular round mirror that's sold by itself. Whoa, it just fell. All right, first I need to stick 2 of these together and let that dry for a second. This is going to be the scary part. Wow, it's like smoking. We're going to load this baby up. Find the center. Whoa. Okay, change of plans. We're going to hit this candlestick with some Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Paint and Primer in 1. I want this tray to be clean looking. I'm into like clean, modern, white vibes these days. Alright you guys, that worked very well. Okay, so I got this all taped up and Dollar Tree delivered again, coming through. We had the newspaper already laying around. We're going to hit this with a coat of white spray paint. I definitely don't want to lose the pearl white color on this charger. That's why I had to cover it up. I'll be right back once the paint's all dried. Okay, so our spray paint has dried. The one that I only spray painted came out really, really well. So now I know and you know, don't put acrylic paint on these candlesticks. But anyway, it's still going to look good and I still need the storage. So let's get these last couple pieces on and see what my makeup and things look like. Back upside down so that the hot glue can fall and secure it some more. And we're going to hit it with a little bead. Since it'll be upside down, we won't see it. I know this tray is gonna really help keep me organized, give me some more room on my table. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet, make sure to do so right now. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Oh, don't forget, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sometimes in between.